What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Low-Key, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing the half up half down hairstyle with no other than Poppy Styles. Woo! Yeah, so we wanted to try out this hairstyle, and we used JohannsVirginHair kinky straight bundles because they just blend well with my hair. If you want to know more about the hair and how I feel about it and everything, go check out my review that is up on my channel. So in that last clip, he was just braiding down the back of my hair to prepare to sew in the bundles, as you can see him doing now. I think for this style, we used 3 bundles in total, 2 in the back and 1 for the ponytail. And just in case you're a beginner and you might be wanting to DIY this at home, the best braid pattern to do is just straight back like he has it, and then sew the tracks across and double weft them, sorry. This way everything lays flat and it's gonna make your style last longer because it's more secure. So when we got to the top, there's also a section of my hair that we were using as leave out that's gonna cover that track. So make sure you don't forget to leave some of your hair out so that your tracks won't show. So now he's just going ahead and blow drying the hair out. We did wash it prior to this, so he was sewing it in pretty wet. So one of the great things I really love about this hair is how much it blends. Like, I think a style like this where you have to have some type of leave out because you got to have your ponytail, you got to be able to cover your track in the back and all those type of things. Use hair bundles that match your hair the most, you know, so that everything is just seamless. Ooh, did y'all see him burn me? I swear he played too much. But anyway, so now we're just going ahead and flat ironing my natural hair. I am on my natural hair journey and I have not put heat on my hair in years. So my hair could really take the heat right now because I really don't do it often. But yeah, flat ironing is just gonna make it easier to slick and make it come out a little bit more smooth. Sleep to the cores, I swear. Like, no, let me stop playing, but that joint is slick though. It's slicky dicky. So now it's time to get the edges nice and sleeky dicky. I can't remember off the top of my head what edge control he used, but I'll make sure to ask him and I'll link it down below. And I also can link down below what edge controls work for my hair texture because I do have 4C type hair. So if you have that type hair, you know, girl, it is hard out here for a 4C curl, I swear. So now it's time for the ponytail. So he just was wrapping the bundle around my own hair and he was putting stitches in it as he went. And when you sew as you go, it just helps the ponytail to last longer and make sure it doesn't just slip out, because you know how that can be when your tracks just not staying put. And as you can see, this allowed me to be able to pull it, wrap it in a bun, like, you know, it just gives me more versatility with the hair. So the last thing we were gonna do is style. Woo. So I kind of asked for a pin curl. So right here, you just see him giving me some flat iron curls and then he's pinning it as he goes. One thing I do want to point out is, since it's kinky straight hair, it's not gonna get like fully silky. So I love how the pin curls were like very much textured, like very much giving 4C hair blown out with a pin curl. Like, it was giving. I loved it. I did forget to mention the specs on this hair. We used a 20, 22, and 24. We put the shorter bundles in the back and then the longer bundle for the ponytail, just so everything can come out a little bit more even and natural looking. Like, that was really the goal with this style. Like, I wanted to look like the girl on the Just For Me box. I don't even know if y'all remember Just For Me perms. The little black girl with the bang and her little soft curls. Maybe I'll try to insert a picture. But yeah, that was the vibe we was going for with this. But yes, I thought it came out so cute. As you'll see in like the last clip, we decided to change the curl pattern because the pin curls just wasn't enough curl. Like, I really liked it, but Jordan was like, no, it needs to be more curly. So we went for a tighter curl in the end. But that is pretty much it for this video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me, and don't forget that my channel is color coded, y'all. So for beauty and lifestyle, look out for the pink videos, and for vlogs and fun and games and crazy stuff, look out for the yellow videos, okay? Because I know people like to consume different type of content, so I'm trying to give it all to y'all, okay? All right, until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.